Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. So as you have read the title already, it's a Get My Shit Together video. Now it's currently 12 midnight and I'm filming this. Now you may be thinking I'm gonna get my shit together at 12 a.m. No, that's not the plan. I plan on to waking up early tomorrow morning, which is I think going to be really hard considering that I'm going to bed really late today, and the reason I am not asleep as of now is because I do not have sleep in my eyes. I woke up at around 11:30 today morning, which I know is not really a good thing. But I've been trying to fix my sleep cycle since the past 2 months. Like ever since quarantine started, I've been going to bed really late, waking up really late, and it's a vicious cycle. Every day I think like, tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early, but then that doesn't happen. I just snooze my alarm. I put my alarm for 7 a.m. in the morning, just snooze, and I just sleep till my body wishes to wake up. Tomorrow I'm going to get my shit together, so I just hope I wake up. If I fail waking up tomorrow morning, you're probably not seeing this. If you're seeing this, then I am waking up early tomorrow morning for sure. Good morning, guys. So, waking up at 7 was a fail, but it's currently 9, and I'm happy because 9 is much more better than 11. So, I'm gonna clean my room. The first thing is clean my space because my room looks bad. Like, it looks bad than the interiors of Satan's inside, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my room as of now first and then get on with the day. But first I have to brush my teeth and get fresh. I am having my breakfast before I start cleaning my room. It took me a while to do my morning routine, and this is oats, eggs and coffee, nothing too special. This is usually what I eat in the mornings. This is the current scenario of my room. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff here and there, which I'm gonna clean right now, but I'm gonna put on some music first and then. Currently, I'm reading this book, Eat, Pray, Love by Elizabeth Gilbert. And yeah, I'm so far almost here. Yeah, and I'm loving this book. It's late in the afternoon now, and I just got done studying. Oh my god, it feels really good to be productive after 3 months. Like, I've been studying, not that I don't study, but then I never really study for like designated periods. I just study for 30 minutes and then I'm done. I'm chilling off my bed right now. I am in the process of making a card for my beloved, and trying to be a little crafty today. I am crafty actually, but yeah, I haven't been making anything, so I thought, I'll just make a card for him, and let's see how it goes.